Hey, Knolly Williams here, the Business Healer, back with you again. Thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you about organizing your business. You know, so many entrepreneurs, business leaders, folks that I coach, folks that are in my 3-hour workday boot camp, or even in my Knolly coaching club, I coach them and teach them how to organize their business. Why? Because until your business is organized and systematized, you can't really delegate it to other people. So true. Until it is in a system, until you have a system, you can hire all you want. You can hire this person or that person. But what you'll find is that they're not getting things done. They're not going to be creative. They're not going to be creating ideas for you and your company. And your business is going to stagnate. It's going to be stale. It's not going to move forward, and you're not going to move the needle in your business until you organize it in such a way where you can create a team operations Bible and hand that to someone else or others. That is how you're going to get freedom in your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to give you the sort of the archetype or the foundation, the blueprint, if you will. Now, be sure to like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, okay? And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to release multiple videos every single week to help you succeed at a high level. Also, don't forget to check out Knolly Coaching Club. That's right. Every single week, I'm able to teach, train, and coach you to your ultimate greatness. You can get 30 days for $1. Knolly Coaching Club. All right. Leave your comments down below. Check out the video. Step 5, you got to organize your business. Now, by the way, you don't do this, your assistant does. What's the first hire in your business? Anybody know? An assistant. Yeah, an admin. You should not be doing anything that you could pay $12 to $15 an hour to do. You should never do that kind of work again. I even teach my new agents that come in. They say, well, I need to learn how to do contracts, and not contracts, but I need to learn how to do contract to close. I say, okay, well, do it on your first 3 deals and never do it again. I remember when I was at Keller Williams, I was there for 10 years. I never signed into dot loop ever. I didn't even know how to do it, what it looked like, okay? People would call me like, man, how do you get around this dot loop? I said, I don't. I got Barbara. You know, Barbara started with me when I was about 8 or 9 months in the business, and she was with me my whole career. You know, so I have long-term hires, but you create an operations Bible, a team operations Bible, very important. And you're not going to do this. Your assistant does it. They're going to write a 1 to 3 sentence description of each task. They're going to categorize the task, and they're going to organize the list in chronological order. Now, I put this together in here not to go in the weeds with you guys because we don't have the time for that. But I put it here. Why? Because I'm going to share the slides with you, and at least you'll have the steps to where you can kind of try to figure this out. This is my 46-step listing system that I use. It's in my book. And here's, so what I figured out is that 91.3% of all activities in my listing business, okay, could be delegated to someone without a license. Okay, that based on the track, what you had to have a license for. And here's a color-coded version of it, just by way of example. So if you look here, I have what we call a PA, a property assistant, that's licensed. And I have a, what does it say? A team assistant. I can't read the print. There's a monitor up here that I'm supposed to see, but my contacts are kind of, by the way, when you get, not older, but, you know, when you start to mature and get, you know, your eyes start doing funny things. So the doctor just prescribed me these contact lenses. Some of you guys know it's mono. Like one is long distance and one is short. And this is like the second time I've been on stage with them, and I'm like, quit it. I'm telling one eye to stop. It's weird. So basically this person is going to do a 3-sentence, like this is step 2 is a 3-sentence description of step 2. But then they go further and they make a step-by-step. Go to this website, log in, click this button, boom. And that might be a full page. Then you have a team operations Bible, because you want it to be in such a way where if that person was out for a week or they had to, you know, go on maternity leave, whatever the case is, somebody could step right in and run your business, okay? So step 5, organize your business. We're continuing. You got to create a JD, what we call a job description, and hire team members. Now remember, you're not doing this. Your assistant's doing this, okay? Because some of you guys the eyes are glassing over and you're like, I lost you a long time ago, right? You're not doing this. Your assistant is doing this, okay?
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, I want to invite you out to Knolly Coaching Club. That's right. The Knolly Coaching Club is where I'm able to teach, train, and coach you every single week to your ultimate greatness. Now you can join for just $1. Go to knollycoaching.com and I'll see you on the inside.